Welcome to Devanshi Education. ଆଜି ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ କରିବା ଓଡ଼ିଶା ସିଜିଏଲ୍ 2025ର କିଛି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଜିକେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍। ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିବା। Question number 1. When was renamed Orissa to Odisha in Rajya Sabha? When was renamed Orissa to Odisha in Rajya Sabha? 24th March 2011. Kala Pahada invaded Odisha in which year? Kala Pahada invaded Odisha in which year? 1568. 1568. Question number 3. The state song of Odisha is dash. The state song of Odisha is Utkala Bande Utkala Janani. The state song of Odisha is Bande Utkala Janani. Question number 4. Who is called Kanta Kavi? Who is called Kanta Kavi? Kanta Kavi Lakshmikanta Mahapatra. Who is called Kanta Kavi? Lakshmikanta Mahapatra. 4 number. Odisha has a dash type of climate. Odisha has dash type of climate. Tropical monsoon type of climate. Odisha has tropical monsoon type of climate. Next question is average rainfall in Odisha is dash. Average rainfall of Odisha is 200 semi. Average rainfall in Odisha is 200 semi. Question number 7. State animal of Odisha is called sambar. State animal of Odisha is called sambar. State bird of Odisha is called Indian roller. Indian roller को state bird of Odisha कुहाଯାଏ. Largest stadium of Odisha. Baravati Stadium. Largest stadium of Odisha, Baravati Stadium. First Odia Lok Sabha speaker is ହେଲେ ରବି ରାୟ. ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଲୋକସଭା ସ୍ପିକର ହେଲେ ରବି ରାୟ. କଳିଙ୍ଗ ୱାର fought in 261 BC. Kalinga War fought in 261 BC. Who is founded the Somavanshi dynasty? Udayan. Udayan found Somavanshi dynasty. Hathi Gumpa inscription located in which place? Hathi Gumpa inscription located in Udayagiri. Hathi Gumpa inscription located in Udayagiri. What percent of Odisha covered forest area? What percent of Odisha covered forest area? Na 37%. 37%. Question number 15. Odisha became a separate province in which year? Odisha became a separate province in which year? 1936. 1936. Question number 16. Kharavela belongs to which religion? Kharavela belongs to Jainism. Northern Revenue Division Odisha is called Northern Revenue Division of Odisha is called Sambalpur. In the Southern Division of Odisha is called Barampur. Central Division of Odisha, Central Revenue Division of Odisha is called Cuttack. Northern ଟା ପଚାରିଛି Northern କ'ଣ? Northern Revenue Division of Odisha is Sambalpur. Which Eastern Ganga king shifted the capital Cuttack? Ananta Varmana Chodagangadeva. Which Eastern Ganga king shifted capital Cuttack? Ananta Varmana Chodagangadeva. Who started Utkal Deepika newspaper in 1866? Who started Utkal Deepika newspaper in 1866? Gauri Shankar Rai. Gauri Shankar Rai Utkal Deepika newspaper start करଥିଲେ. How many blocks are there in Odisha administration? How many blocks are in Odisha administration? 314. 314. What is the capital of Somavamsi dance city? Jajati Nagara. The capital of Somavamsi dance city is Jajati Nagara. Which industry maximum invest in Odisha? Which industry maximum invest in Odisha? Steel and power. How many tahsils are there in Odisha? 317. Block 314, तहसील 317. Largest brackish water lagoon is Chilika Lagoon. Largest brackish water lagoon is Chilika Lagoon. Which river originated from Gonasika Hills? Baitani River. Which river originated from Gonasika Hills? Baitarani River. Asia's largest dam is Hirakud Dam. Asia's largest dam is Hirakud Dam. Ravenna University established in which year? Ravenna University established in 1867. 1867. Utkal University established in which year? 1943. 1943. Utkal University established. Utkal University established 1943. Judicial capital of Odisha. Judicial capital of Odisha called Cuttack city. Judicial capital of Odisha is called Cuttack city. Who is the CM of Odisha? Mohan Charan Majhi. Who is the present CM of Odisha? Mohan Charan Majhi. ଏହିପରି ଭାବେ ଆମେ 30ଟି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କଲେ। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ଆଉ କିଛି ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିବା। ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ସପୋର୍ଟ ମାଇ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ ଦେବାଂଶୀ ଏଜୁକେସନ୍। Thank you.